Oh, hey, yes. Do you want to take one more round? Yep. Yeah, listen. Are you feeling good now? Are you feeling dizzy? Yep or no? Yep. Are you feeling dizzy? Yes. Are you feeling good or dizzy? Answer me first. आप दोनों लेटोगे? लेट जाओ भाई। वहां लेटो, इसके बाजू में जाके लेटो वहां। थोड़ी देर रेस्ट कर लो। भाई, आर्या आप यहीं लेटो, आर्या आप यहीं लेटो। यस यस, लेट जाओ। This is very. Yes. Hey, what's that? Why you rolled? Because she's your friend. You come to her, not him. She's a girl, Arya. You have to use her for the girls. Okay. Get up now. Get up. One, two, three, go. Get on the slide. Ah. One, two, three, go. Yes. Give me high five. High five. What happened? Why you block your back, Arya? Let's see how they run. Have you seen that? How they run? Because he wants to play with ball. He wants to play with ball. That's why he go there. What happened? Yes, you can. Do you want to do that? Okay, then jump here for 10 times. Jump. Come fast. Oh. आ जा। जंप करो। रुको अरे जंप करो यहीं करो आ रहे कम come fast. What happened? Yes, listen, now you have to jump here. रुको जंप करो। अरे जंप करो, जंप। आर्या, भागो तुम भी फिर। जाओ। Come. Yes. Come. Give me high five. Why you are making rounds and rounds and rounds? To be? To be? To be? Gray? What's that gray? The gray paint? Go! Come fast. Arre, come fast. Ow. Ah, what happened? Come. आ जाओ तीनों आ जाओ यहाँ, पीछे आ जाओ. Just a second. Can I take a selfie? Just a second. How can I take a selfie? अरे!